Hold your arms a little bit from yourself, always, because you need a little bit space for doing this one. One way, very easy things. It's hard for you because you stay, your arms on the bar is there. You see? When you're doing your arabesque, you so much back because your arms is there. You need to hold your arms a little bit from yourself, always, because you need a little bit space for doing this one. If your arms in front of yourself, it's like there. Easy. And you're doing the euro jump, you have a space for transferring your body forward. If your arms is there, you can't move forward because your arms is there. You need to keep your arms in front of yourself. A little bit, always gentle. And just touch the bar. Don't grab, just touch. Forward, right arm. Yes, yes. This is the right position for you. This is the right position. Check it out. Yes, that's right, that's right, that's right. Let's show me the jeté in the back. Guys, not bad, but I didn't hear the sound of this one. You see, 1, 2, 1, 2. You do it, 1, 1, 2. The toy have to meet the floor. That's right. Did you hear? This is a different sound. She did it right now. That's right. 1, 2. And now you can have a control. Your toe is working. Your feet is working. That's right. That's right. Keep it that one for a big steps also. Okay?